अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल अप्लाइड इकोनॉमिक्स। तो दोस्तों आज के हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि इकोनॉमिक्स के क्या असरात हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी फर्स्ट स्लाइड से। पीपल्स वांट्स आर नुमरस एंड वेराइड। Biologically, people need only air, water, food, clothing, society, and shelter. But in modern societies, people also desire goods and services that provide a more comfortable or affluent standard of living. We want bottled water, soft drinks, and fruit juices, not just water from the creek. We want salads, burgers, and pizzas, not just berries and nuts. We want jeans, suits, and coats, not just woven reeds. We want apartments, houses, not just mud huts. And as the saying goes, that is not the half of it. We also want flat panel TVs, internet service, education, homeland security, cell phones, healthcare, and much more. And next देखते हैं, fortunately society possesses reproductive resources such as labor and managerial talent, tools and machinery, land and mineral deposits. But the blunt reality is that our economic water wants far exceed the productive capacity of our scarce resources. We are forced to make choices. This unyielding truth underlies the definition of economics, which is a social science concerned with how individuals, households, institutions, and society make optimal, best choices under conditions of scarcity. नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं इकोनॉमिक्स। इकोनॉमिक्स आर अ सब्जेक्ट केम इनटू बीइंग विद द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ वेरी पॉपुलर बुक इन 1776 an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations, written by Professor Adam Smith. At that time it was called political economy. It remains operational at least up to the middle part of the 19th century. तो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं मीनिंग इसके इकोनॉमिक्स के। द वर्ड इकोनॉमिक्स वाज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड्स oikos, a house, and nemen, to manage, which means managing a household using the limited money or resources a household has. नेक्स्ट हम इसकी डेफिनेशन में जाते हैं। तो इकोनॉमिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ चॉइस इन विच इंडिविजुअल्स मेक चॉइसेस इन एवरी लाइफ बाय यूजिंग स्कैर्स रिसोर्सेज। इकोनॉमिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ द यूज ऑफ scarce resources that have alternative uses. That's the classic definition of economics. Basically there are people and people need resources to fulfill their desires. तो नेक्स्ट हम मूव ऑन करते हैं। टू मेन टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स। Microeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the behavior of individuals and firms in making decisions regarding the allocation of scarce resources and the interaction among these individuals and firms. Macroeconomics is the branch of economics concerned with large scale of or general economic factors such as interest rates and national productivity. The term micro and macroeconomics have been introduced by Professor Ragnar Frisch of Oslo University during 1920s. The word micro means a millionth part. In Greek, micros means small. Thus, microeconomics deals with the small part of the whole economy. Then, introduction to microeconomics. Economics is the study of choice or how individuals make choices in everyday life. Economics is the study of how to allocate limited resources to unlimited wants. A hard reality is that most things that are desirable are unfortunately scarce. Economics is the study of how individuals, whether they are parents, employees, or business owners, make choices when they are limited in their ability to satisfy their wants and desires. Means and ends are the basis on which the whole science of economics is built. Then next move on करते हैं। ends are the needs, wants which every human being desires to satisfy. Want is an effective desire of a thing which can be satisfied by making an effort for obtaining it. We have unlimited wants, and as one want gets satisfied, another arises. For instance, one may have the desire to buy a car or a flat. Once the car or a flat is purchased, the person wishes to buy a more spacious and desirable car, and the list of his wants does not stop here but goes on one after another. तो दोस्तों आज का टॉपिक हम यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो है आप अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। अब तक की वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।